VidIQ, you have a lot of different tools inside of VidIQ that allow you to get more views, get more subscribers, and grow your YouTube channel a lot faster. So you see, first of all, you have daily ideas over here where they will basically give you new ideas and new titles every single day that have a high potential to go viral and get more views. So what I would do every day is I would log into this tool and then I will see what are the videos that have a potential to get more views. So for example, if I make video with this title over here or a similar title including these keywords, then the view prediction is very high, so there is high likelihood that I will get more views, and there is high likelihood that the competition is low, so I can grow a lot faster with these. So they are basically giving you daily ideas, and as you can see, if you scroll down, then these are like lower valued titles and ideas with like medium percentage or high percentage, but these are like very high predictions that these videos will get more views. So I would either choose one of these videos, and based on that title, I will just make the video and publish it, and almost always it's gonna get more views than otherwise. The second tool that you can use is my favorite tool over here, and it's called keywords. So if you go to the keywords section, this is extremely important. When you come up with a video idea, let's say for example you want to make a video about weight loss, what you want to do is you just want to type in the weight loss keyword inside of this box to research that, and it's basically going to show you the overall score. And as you can see, the overall score is medium, meaning the search volume is high but the competition is very high. So then I would maybe avoid this keyword. I would not include it in the title or in the description, but you can see like which ones have lower competition. Like if the competition is low but the search volume is high, then you obviously want to include that and make a video about it. Like if I make a video as a new YouTuber based on these keywords, it's gonna be extremely hard to compete with all of these people, so I would now avoid this. Alright, VidIQ told me to avoid this, so I'm not gonna do it. But if I type in, for example, drop servicing inside of this box, and let's say I want to make a video about drop servicing, you can see the overall score is very high, the competition is very low, but the search volume is high. So if I open up all of these different keywords, you can see that most of these have a really high search volume, but the competition is very low. So if I make a video about drop servicing, there is high likelihood that it's gonna get more views, and then I'm gonna gain more subscribers, so I'm gonna go with that. And this is how you can research every single one of these keywords. Whatever you want to make a video about, you just type that keyword inside of this box, and it's gonna show you whether that's a good idea or not. Plus, it's gonna give you new keywords to put in the title for higher chances of getting more views. And that's why I really like it, and this extremely helps me get more views and get more subscribers. Just this tool alone, the keywords section. Then you can of course also spy on your competitors, and you can see exactly what they are doing and how you can do it better, so you can outgrow other channels in your niche. You also have the subscriber section, the SEO, and your coach section, and overall there's a lot of different things that are included inside of VidIQ.